You need to put all goods to their places. Move goods to their places. Tap the door to open it. Tap the door to close it.
We were bored and decided to see what Mommy was doing. Hello, Mommy. You look really tired.
Yes, you are right. I was cooking for too long, and now I am too tired to go to the shop with household goods.
Don't worry, Mommy. We will help you with pleasure. Today we're going to the shop with household issues. I want.
We have 5 things in the list.
Buy only things that we need.
Coffee machine.
Well. Well.
Frying pan. Skimmer.
Do we need this? Such an effective shopping.
Green cup. Yellow bath sponge.
Such a comfortable trolley.
Pay for your goods, please. Vlad has 1 product, 2 products, 3 products, 4 products, 5 products. Nikita failed to find something from the list. You bought everything that I've asked for. Cheers!
If you want to buy a full version of the game with bonuses,
What attraction do you want to visit today?
I want.
if you want to buy a full
Whee!
Whee!
Hooray! Yeah!
We have so much fun.
And me.
You need to put all goods to their places. Move goods to their places. Tap the door to open it. Tap the door to close it. Thank you.